Hi friends, welcome to Sita's Biology and Creativity. Today our topic is about how to be a healthy person. Actually, many people think that it is very difficult to be a healthy person. But if we follow some special factors, then it becomes very easy to us to be a healthy person. So it is important to us to be a healthy person and very active throughout our lives. Let's follow these factors. Let's see what are those factors which are making us to be an healthy person. The first one is eat better. The next one exercise. Next one move more. The next one sleep better. The next one spend time with the people. The next one exercise your brain. The last one is the decrease stress. These are the 7 factors which make us to be an healthy person. Let's start with the first factor, that is eat better. Actually, I think this one is a kind of given to us to make us be an healthy person. We have all at some point seen some references to research that links our diseases, many related diseases are mainly related to our pure nutrition, a lesser quality of life and a shorter lifespan. To become very healthy, the good quality food such as fruits and vegetables must be taken that provide our bodies with energy, vitamins, minerals and fibers. Then we turn to enhance our bodily function very properly. Thereby we can become an healthy person by taking all this nutritional healthy food. The next factor is exercise. And exercise has shown that exercise can decrease our risk of many diseases and enhance our quality of life, and it can also improve our mental health, strengthen muscles and bones in our body, and helps us to control our weight and prevent falls, and also it makes us to sleep better, and it is also helps us to improve our memory, and it also gives us a more energy, and most importantly increase our changes of longer living. So it is making us more healthier by doing regular exercises in our body for some frequent of time. So I think you may follow this second factor regularly for making yourself as an healthy person. The next factor is move more. So if we just move our body, it makes us to improve our health. With the advancement in technology, sedentary lifestyles have gotten greater and greater. Phones, tablets and being able to watch TV anywhere, anytime has brought everyday bodily movement to an all-time low. So we are not at all moving our body in our daily routine. We keep on sitting on in front of the TV, sitting with the phones. So we are just sitting in stably. We are not moving at all. Moving our body more can improve our blood circulation, oxygen usage in our, and also makes our heart health, and also makes us to sleep well. This is a most an important step which have to maintain our movement in our daily routine regularly. We have to move either at our homes, also from side by side, at either moving outside of the balconies. It is very important thing to move our body, to give the movement to our body. It helps us to keep our body more healthy. The next factor is sleep better. Nowadays our sleeping time was reduced because of the work, because of using the mobiles, because of some necessary activities. We are going to reduce our sleeping time. Because of that only we are facing so many problems. Actually many persons, and our to be a healthy person, the actual sleeping time is 8 hours, but no one are going to take the time period for sleep to be an healthy person. But the lack of sleep has been linked to increased risk of many diseases in our body, as well as the lack of productivity in our body also. Good quality sleep has been shown to improve our memory, and it is also going to decrease stress in our body, and it is also going to increase our creativity, and it is also going to increase the athletic performance in our body, and it is finally making us to be an healthy person when we sleep for a certain time period, which become us to be an healthy person. The next factor is spend time with people. Nowadays many people are living individually, due to their work, due to their mental stress conditions, due to their some problems. Many people are living lonely, that make us to feel very stress conditions. So for getting relief from that, we have to communicate with the people, and we have to share our problems with them. Actually, the lack of social communications has been shown to increase our stress in our body, and it's also making to impair immune in our systems and cardiovascular functions in our body. And it is also making us having strong quality connections with other people, improve self confidence in us, and mental health was improved in us, and energy levels are also increased if we communicate with the people, if we share our emotions, our feelings to others. The next factor is the exercise our brains. Actually, when we are young, going to schools and learning math, science, and history, like the different subjects are learned by us in our school times. At that time, our brain is being challenged and stimulated regularly. As we go on get older, means when we shifted from the higher schools that are nothing but the intermediate, degree, graduation, and the post graduation, then we keep on focus on at only one subject. Means our memory, our challenged, stimulated regularly was getting reduced. So and get into the regular routine and exercise our brain less, means we are going to exercise our brain very less, and we are going to think our thinking nature was become reduced, and we process information very slowly, and our working memory diminishes for that reason. If our brain benefits from learning new things, taking part in new activities, and interacting with other people, it makes us to become very sharp and to grasp the things very easily. And if we train and if we exercise our brain to learn the new things, it makes us to feel very healthy, and it makes us to feel very active in our daily life. The last factor is the decreasing our stress. In our present world, many people are suffering with the stress. They are feeling more stressed because of their work, because of the mental tension. Many people are suffering with the stress. If actually the stress can cause a fatigue, it leads us to make the sleeping problems, overeating problems, all of which can negatively affect our health. Learning to manage stress in our life is a must and most important regulation. Decreasing stress in our life can improve energy levels in our body, and it is also improve our ability to focus on task what we kept our life goals, and it is also helps us to improve our relationships with others, and it's also make us to be an most happiest person in all the severe situations also. So it's a major important factor that we have to decrease our stress. Living a healthier life leads to a living happier life. Self reflection is a powerful tool to improving our life. So take a look at each of these 7 factors and see which ones you can improve on. In the future, I will be posting videos giving you some ideas on how to improve on each one of these. I think you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share, and like. Thank you so much.